I have myself a Nintendo Switch where this thing kind of does whatever it wants. So I got on Amazon, found me a kit, which there's tons of kits, but I really like the reviews of this one. Had 4,000. Link will be in the description below. That's all that comes in the Amazon package. Got you guys zoomed up really close for some reason. This is the kit, the unboxing and install. There's tons of videos out there. Looks like it comes from someone else. This kit was $11 and some cents. Comes with cute little covers, which they go bad before a cover would ever go bad. These go bad about once a year. I seen one of the reviews was they've had this one installed for 2 years and no problems. Normal tools you would get for a repair on a phone, it seems. A nice Phillips there with a spinny on the end, so you can put it like that and spin it with not having it eat into your skin a little bit, which is normally not a problem. There's the brand and size. Turning on my fan there, it's getting kind of hot in here. Another one that is a 2.0 by 40 millimeter. It also spins up against your finger, your hand. I don't know if I can really show you guys that. Nah, it's too small. Whoops, just knocked that over. Didn't want to get to that yet. We have some awesome tweezers. Oh, them are pretty strong. Feel really heavy duty in this area. Doesn't feel like if I push here they'd bend much. No razor blade on the end, but super sharp still. Yeah, I like them. Them are probably the best tweezers I've ever gotten in a repair. Like that. Comes with a little cover if you want to put that on there. I'm going to put these over here so they quit falling out on me. Got a pry tool, which comes with 3 different... Gosh. It's like a hockey puck. It doesn't want to come off. 3 different thicknesses of prying. This one actually looks like they're all the same. Normally them are different thicknesses on the corners. That's nice. Got about 10,000 of them things. And then here we have these screws, which people said the screws are a bit too long. I'm not going to pull these out because I'll drop them and lose them. And then a bracket for somewhere inside that switch. Inside there somewhere. Then we have what always goes bad, the joycon. Pull that out. Looks pretty standard. Just a ribbon cable. Feels just like the original. It doesn't say Nintendo on it anywhere. It's a knockoff. As long as the Nintendo ones work a year, wouldn't really want to buy another one of them. I don't know if you guys can see it up close. Looks like 2 screws hold it in. Comes with 2 of them. Feels good. I didn't know if it'd like pop when I push it because it's the first time it's been used. I'm sure the factory wiggles them a little bit, make sure they work. So there we go. This was $11. A lot cheaper than in a $40 brand new one from Nintendo, and it's just going to go bad again. Okay, let's get down to it.